Hey food lovers, today I'm showing you how to make Isi Ewu, one of Nigeria's most delicious traditional dish. Goat head, cooked with spice and palm oil, packed with flavor. Let's get started. First, we add our palm oil into the pot, then carefully mix in the potash. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens into that perfect rich consistency. Once thickened, we add in our goat brain and carefully mixed. Then we add in our onions, our pepper. Here come our crayfish and also our oba. Without this oba, this Isi Ewu will not make sense. Here come our otazi leaf and some salt. Everything gets stirred together beautifully. Then we added our Isi Ewu. I so much like this Isi Ewu recipe. Whenever I remember to do it, it gives me joy. Everything gets stirred together beautifully, blended all the flavors into one rich aromatic sauce. To finish, I throw in some extra onions for a fresh, vibrant flavor. Then I stirred everything together, and that's how you prepare a traditional mouth-watering goat head dish. Try it at home and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. From start to finish, this dish is packed with flavor and tradition.